Meaning of deeply.
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 Deeply. Deeply is an adverb that indicates a strong intensity or emotional attachment to something. It can also mean having an extensive knowledge or involvement in a particular area. When used to describe a feeling, it suggests a profound level of emotion and a significant impact on one's behavior or thoughts. In some contexts, deeply implies a sense of sincerity, seriousness, or commitment in the way that a person thinks, feels, or acts. Overall, deeply conveys a heightened degree of intensity or significance towards a person, object, or situation.